Did you know this one verse reveals the perfect union of divine beauty, strength, and unconditional love?
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as glowing with a beautiful reddish radiance from head to toe, symbolizing divine energy, compassion, and spiritual awakening. Every part of Devi is flawless and she is adorned with celestial ornaments that reflect her infinite virtues. The verse also tells us that Ma is seated on the lap of Sri Kameshwara, representing the inseparable unity of divine consciousness and divine power. As Svadhina Vallabha, Devi is the one whose divine love and wisdom guide all creation with perfect harmony. Meditating on this sacred shloka fills the heart with devotion, inner peace, confidence, and divine grace. It reminds us that by surrendering to Sri Lalita Devi with faith, we invite harmony, spiritual strength, and lasting happiness into our lives. What is the divine abode of Sri Lalita Devi, and why is meditating on it said to bring inner peace and spiritual wisdom?
सुमेरुशृङ्गमध्यस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the supreme queen who resides on the central peak of the sacred Mount Meru in the magnificent Srinagara, the divine city of eternal bliss. She dwells within the mystical Chintamani palace, where every pure wish is fulfilled through divine grace. Seated upon the sacred throne formed by the five Brahmas, Devi is revealed as the supreme power behind creation, preservation, transformation, concealment, and divine blessing. Meditating on this shloka fills the mind with peace, devotion, and spiritual clarity. It reminds us that Ma is the ultimate source of wisdom, protection, and limitless grace. With severe chanting and faith, devotees seek inner strength, prosperity, positive energy, and a deeper connection with Sri Lalita Devi, who lovingly guides every soul towards peace and liberation. Did you know this beautiful verse reveals where Sri Lalita Devi eternally resides and how she fulfills the heartfelt wishes of every sincere devotee?
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the one who resides in the magnificent forest of celestial lotus flowers and the sacred Kadamba forest, symbolizing purity, peace, and divine abundance. She is seated at the center of the ocean of nectar, representing eternal bliss and immortality. The name Kamakshi means she whose compassionate eyes fulfill noble desires, while Kamadayini reminds us that Ma grants righteous wishes and guides devotees towards spiritual growth and inner fulfillment. Reciting this shloka with devotion helps cultivate peace, faith, and divine grace. It inspires us to seek not only material blessings but also wisdom, contentment, and a loving connection with Sri Lalita Devi, whose compassionate presence illuminates every step of our spiritual journey. What if one divine verse could remind you that no challenge is greater than the power of Sri Lalita Devi?
देवर्षिगणसन्ध्यातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोदुक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता.
This shloka describes the glorious majesty of Sri Lalita Devi, whose divine greatness is praised by assemblies of celestial sages and enlightened beings. It also reveals that Devi is fully prepared to destroy the powerful demon Bhandasura, leading an immense army of divine Shaktis. This symbolizes that whenever negativity, fear, ego, or ignorance rises within us, Ma is always ready to guide and protect those who seek her with faith and devotion. Reciting or listening to this shloka inspires courage, strengthens inner confidence, and reminds us that divine power is always working for the victory of truth and righteousness. May Sri Lalita Devi bless your life with strength, protection, wisdom, and success over every obstacle. Did you know this verse reveals the unstoppable divine army of Sri Lalita Devi?
सम्पत्करी समारूढः सिन्धुरव्रजसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
In this sacred verse, Sri Lalita Devi is described as being surrounded by her mighty celestial forces. The elephant division, led by Sampatkari Devi, symbolizes immense strength, wisdom, and prosperity. Alongside them is the powerful cavalry led by Ashwarudha Devi, representing speed, courage, determination, and victory. Countless divine warriors stand ready to fulfill the will of Ma, showing that divine power is always organized, purposeful, and unstoppable in protecting righteousness. This shloka reminds us that when we surrender to Devi with faith, she blesses us with the strength to overcome challenges, the courage to move forward, and the confidence to face life's battles. Chanting and reflecting on this verse inspires inner resilience, removes fear, and fills our hearts with assurance that Sri Lalita Devi's divine protection is always with those who seek her with devotion.